Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to fix mmc could not create the snap-in on Windows 10. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Microsoft, click the Create One option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, the mmc could not create the snap-in error in Windows 10 typically indicates a problem with the Microsoft Management Console, or mmc, configuration or a corrupted mmc snap-in. This error can occur when trying to open a certain administrative tools or utilities that rely on mmc. And here's how you can fix it. And I believe the first thing that you need to do is to run a system file integrity. Now, to run system file checker or SFC, all you're gonna do is go to your CMD or command prompt, or you can also go to the Windows PowerShell admin, and I need you to type in SFC/scan now. What will happen is wait for this scan to complete because SFC will repair any corrupted system file it finds, alright? Now, still on the command prompt, the next option that you can do is type this command, which is going to be dism/online /cleanup image restore health. And what will happen is it will allow the DISM tool to run and repair the Windows image, which is the DISM stands for Deployment Imaging Servicing and Management. After that, try to restart your computer. After running SFC and DISM, restart your computer to apply any repairs to system files. After that, the next option that you can do is, now you might need to check for Windows updates. For us to be able to do that, ensure that your Windows 10 is up to date with the latest updates from Microsoft. Now, here on settings, all you're gonna do is go to the update and security, click on it, and I want you to go to the Windows update, and of course check for any updates. Click the check for updates. Try to restart your computer to see if that solves the issue. If updates are available, download and install them. Restart your computer after the updates are installed. Now, you might want to try to explore and restore the default mmc snap-ins. And for you to be able to open the mmc in author mode, I need you to press in run and type in mmc and hit enter. That would open the Microsoft Management Console, and once you are on it, go to file options. Alright, and then from here in the options window, click on the console tab, click on options, and of course try to click on the reset console. Confirm any prompts to reset the console settings to default. Now, the next option that you can do is go again to the CMD, run as admin, and type in this following command. You might want to type the following commands one by one and press enter after each. All right, and that's going to be after that. After executing these commands, try to restart your computer to see if that works. And again, if none of the above steps work, you might want to contact the Microsoft Office about your Windows installation, because in such cases, seeking further assistance from the Microsoft support or a qualified technician may be necessary. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.